my life will change today, because I'm going to drink coffee for the last time, and after that I'll go to buy my own coffee machine. Even though this coffee is very cheap, 65 cents, but the problem is it is very weak, so I have to drink at least 2 coffees like this. Plus, if I drink it too much, I have headache. I don't know why. Maybe the beans are not really good. So overall, I'm tired going to cafes like this. I decided to buy my own machine, first time ever. After this, I'll go. I'm really depressed today, guys, because some of the commenters said that I have to go and study English because I cannot be understood. Some Russian person from Moscow said it to me. After that, I blocked him forever. And then I have no good mood anymore. Not good English. I'm disappointed now. I've been running my channel for 7 years and then my English not good. This is my life changer. I'm going to pick it up right now. This is my new coffee machine. I think it looks good. Terrible Russian post office. They put it upside down while transporting this machine. I hope they didn't break it. Bosch, benvenuto b30 aroma system. This is adjustable depending on your cup. Overall, it is working condition, but there is only one problem with this calcium. It says that you need to descale it, and after that it should be working perfectly. But even with this calcium problem, it's already working machine, because I requested a sample video and the owner showed to me that it makes coffee even in this condition. Plus, it is made in Switzerland, which is really good, unlike modern coffee machine which are from China. So I'll start having my own coffee soon, maybe tomorrow. I forgot to say the price which I bought this is only $70. To be accurate, 65 plus delivery. And new machines now cost around $700 or $500, and I bought only for 70. I think it's really great deal. I recommend to anyone, find old machines in working condition, just which require slight maintenance. Maintain it, clean it, and then start using it for the next 100 years.